Hi, I'm Dominic, and I'm going to fake this. I'm sorry if you hear my listen. Okay, this might take long.